Hi guys, Alex from Robertson's Remedial and Painting. Welcome to our Fairfield project where we're replacing all the cladding. As part of the project, we install framing and sarking, which happens prior to the installation of the cladding. As you can see, this elevation here has had all the cladding replaced. The project also included balcony works, where we did cladding work around existing services. As part of the project, all the high and difficult access was carried out via scaffolding and swing stages.